Hey, good morning out there, YouTube and Twitter. I want to thank everybody for listening in. I apologize. I've got a bit of a cold going on, a bit of a sore throat, so sound a little bit raspy here. Hope everybody's doing well, and I hope you're all doing money, making money. Um, the important thing is let's trade the rules. Okay, trade the rules. Be patient in your trading. For those out there that's interested in joining Hit Run Candlesticks, hey, come on over. Uh, We've got several different programs that you might be interested in. Uh, Come over and follow the road to the wealth. We are well on our way to doubling our money. In fact, we're sitting in right about 30% right now on the account. Not one trade, whole account. Okay, let's get going. Hey, good morning, everyone. How are you? I want to apologize for the raspy throat. I am supporting a good cold, quality cold, quality. That's the important thing. So bear with me here. Um, I don't have a lot this morning. Today I'll be traveling back to Springfield, back to my regular desk. But in the meantime, let's take a look at a few charts. I hope you guys have a couple of charts gathered up. Um, Hello, oh, wow! Over on YouTube, we've got Owen. Good morning to you all from Sweden. Check it out. Glad you're here. Appreciate it. Okay, so the SPY is up. One of the clever, very clever words that I said yesterday before the close was we are up a stupid amount. We are. We this is crazy. And it can keep going. It really can. But please remember the higher we get, it becomes a little more dangerous up here because the top will get put in. Okay. We will pull back. So I guess what I want to protect from is if I'm in a position, where's my tool at? There we go. If I'm in a position and I'm making money, I don't want to get caught, in something like that. And I'm not saying that's going to happen. It could be real slow. It could be something like, oh, hey, everybody, take your money out before we come down and clobber you. You know what the strange thing is, or the odd, or whatever you want to call it, is that there'll be a lot of traders not take their money out and they will get clobbered. That's why it's okay for the market to tell you what they're going to do. It happens all the time. Just don't be one of those people. All right. So my rule: take profits into strength. Very, very simple. Okay. Let's. And by the way, I still think we get to that. 600 mark. Good grief, we're only. We can't be. Let's see right there. We're less than 1% away. Um, could that be an area where we start to roll over? As far as I'm concerned, right now, this morning could be an area where we roll over. So let's just watch that. Okay. Trade wise. Let me have a drink of coffee here, please. Man, colds are the worst. Okay, so if you look at the Qs, doing about the same thing. Uh, Nothing different up there. Diamonds, about the same thing. Transports, transports, that's a good chart. Here we pop up, pull back, bulls are stepping in. That's the kind of chart that I would call a PBO chart or pullback opportunity. We blast off, we pull back. That's a pullback opportunity. So we might find a trade in there. Or if you don't trade IYT, use it as a guide in the overall market. And as long as it stays bullish, generally the market will remain bullish. SMH, same thing. While you might not trade SMH, if SMH remains bullish, the overall market is likely to stay bullish as well. Our T2123, which I use a lot, remains bullish here. Price is above the T line. T line is above the trend indicator. No real signs of failing here at all. Sometimes on the 15-minute, it'll dip down a little bit. This is just sort of a teaser chart. That's the chart we want to pay attention to. But it's okay to watch the teaser chart. All right. Oh, thanks, Bill. Appreciate it. So with that, I'm gonna go over here and go back to where. There we go. For those that follow along on the Road to Wealth account, we closed yesterday over $4,000. That puts us about 30%. We'll say that again. Puts us about 30% to the positive on doubling our account in 12 months. Bottom line, in about a month, we are 1/3 of the way already. 1/3. So let's see if we can keep that up. Who knows? Maybe in 3 months we could double it. I'd be tickled. I'd be tickled pink. We'll keep you all updated on that. So, okay. I really hope somebody has some charts to look at because I really, really don't. All right. I'm going to be here just for a little bit this morning, and then I'm going to pack up, get on an airplane, and then I'm headed home. So I will be traveling majority of the day. Mr. Goodson, VRNA. There we go. Gorgeous chart. We all here peeked at that one yesterday. So earnings plenty far away. Look at that beautiful trend here. Look at that pullback. We gapped down, came back up. Hungry, decisive, bullish engulf there. Here's our pullback. Beautiful chart. I'm going to move this down just a little bit. Let's go to a weekly chart. And let's see about targets. Oh, wait. Blue sky. That's what targets is, right? All-time new highs. Okay. So let's do something like this. I'm going to take this low right here, go up to this high, come back and grab this low, and then this will give us a couple of targets to shoot for right there. All right. There we go. Let's get rid of this. So there's a couple of targets for this VRNA. It is a biotech. Stop-wise, we're looking at maybe yesterday's price, the T-line trend indicator. I think we're buying it kind of close enough visually, but that's 7% away. So let's be a little careful there. One thing this is doing, where is it at? Right here, that I really like, is putting in this pop out of the box setup. So where we pop, and then we have a real tight consolidation right here. Buying can occur in the box and on the breakout. And of course, buying can occur after the breakout. Watch for the pullback and then the buyer stepping in right there. Very, very nice chart. Excellent. Mike, you're looking at some BAC. All right. Oh, wow. Here, let's get rid of all that. There we go. So I'm going to put the buy box right here. And my low is going to be this middle candle. We've got kind of a Fig Newton setting up here. That's when two bullish candles sandwich a not so bullish candle right here. So right in here, inside the box is buying. Stop is right here about 440, 44, 40, or buying on a breakout. Excellent chart. Super chart. Sorry, I need another drink here. I should put my coffee on the other side of the mic. I apologize, everybody. All right, let's see here. What's hey Vernon, you're looking at some CF. CF is doing pretty good. I think I would be a happy camper if it was to get over 86, 80, or 54. I do. It could make sense buying right here. I could justify that. A close, back below the trend indicator would make me question my trade. But over that 86.50, I think you'll be rocking, because I think other traders will follow you into that. So 2 thumbs up. Nice chart. Nice find. Let's see, Stefan. If you're URA, yes, I am in URA, pulls back in your small account, where are you out? Well, first of all, that's pretty negative thinking if it pulls back. I'm, my thinking is, where am I going to take profits if it moves up? No, no. Okay, for me, it's all about that green trend or the red dots here. Okay, so let's come over here. Look at that. It's let's go over here. There you go. It's all about those red dots. So I'm in it, and if I was in it, if I was in it way back here, bullishly, I would be out of it. I'd be back in it. I'd be out of it. I might not be back in it. Be out of it if I was. I'd be back in it. I'd be out of it, and I'd be back in it. So there's my stop. What is price going to do with those dots? It turns red. I don't want it because there's too much risk of that trend continuing down. So that's where my stop would be. So if I had to put a stop in there, it'd be about right there right now, around that $30.94. 30.90. Okay. Good question. Thank you very much. Oh boy. Hey Amanda, how are you? Snap. Well, that's not Snap. Snap. That's not Snap. There we go. Snap is a bullish trade. We'll look at the weekly here. Live. So if we're looking at the weekly chart, targets moving up are going to be the 50 period moving average and the Trendicator. Now, for those that don't know, I always start with moving averages. I may certainly look for something in the middle that might change that or add another area, like about right there. Okay. Now let's go to the daily. So buying in here, first of all, this is the #1 bullish chart. It's great. Let's do the numbers. Just painted by the numbers. We have trend. We have gap that has held. This is a holding gap. We're moving sideways. This makes this a pop out of the box setup. So buying can occur in here, buying above, or buying on the above pullback. So I think this is right up there. It just depends what kind of trader you are. You might want to wait till it breaks out. You might want to get in early now. Target wise, you know, I don't know if I like that 1310. It's too close. So I'm going to eliminate it. If you're worried about that, you should wait for the breakout. So 14 1/4, 1540 up here looks really good. Okay. And Walmart right now, today, you're looking for an entry. That would be an entry right now. 3/8 trap, bullish trend right there. 3/8 trap entry. Let's see here. Got a few people over here on YouTube. Thank you all for being here. I really do appreciate it. Vernon, Ed, thank you. Thank you so much. All righty. Does anyone have anything else? It's remarkably hard to talk. 2 trades that I'm in the small road to well account is T. I'm in AT&T. Long as it can hold in this box, I'm going to be okay. I prefer it to be up here, but as long as we hold into here, I'm okay. I might even drop that box down just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. Not much. Right there. So I'll be watching AT&T, see what happens there. And the other stock that I'm in is is that URA in the small account. We are sitting about 30% to the positive, which is pretty darn good. I'm all about taking profits into strength. So that's what I'll do with URA as well. Okay. At least you sound alluring. Thank you very much. All righty. Thanks, Bill. I will. So I will be here a little bit on the open, and then I'm going to jet out. So I'll shout out to all members when I'm leaving, and then I'll see you guys all Monday morning. Okay. Everyone take care. We'll see you in the room for a few minutes after the market opens. Thanks a lot.